Minianum adolfo Midina Christo Dinso Echiamo. Baby a wo me e YouTube na se Facebook bia no. Me de Christo ntia e pa wo nchen. Na me nam le don so apajaye. Na wa hweye so enani nanyina. Na akwanya kese abeda ho ama se menewo eche nyame asem ewo baby a wo bia. Say you my dear menewo di no. So subscribe na umia bell na so a won sabe kan wo bia wo pese wo hwe me ebia. Moso for Apostle Anafi Kwati, founder and chairman of Gilgal Pentecostal Prayer Ministry International. Any debia no say o peme e wo YouTuber on sabe to me akame. Baby a wo bia no sintias me no wo bompai na ya chenyame ase. What yes? Udini Jesus. Wakan ya humo brini na humo bro na yense. Adu pempen so a ese wo manya sunsun aduane di. Me wakoa. Me just a useful vessel. Famemu na akra biara sunsun komni su komde wo. Winya me ama wonkra. Minwie se won constitute no se fayimu su komni nda biada. And only was the kind of offering never knew what would come. Mumia or Shabby na why a crowd so between a meals for offering family. Namena one check Nami Asan. Bible say, when your power did the army and order to food in Panakan. Now or crown so a common dinner, Fishawa Jem can our cry ever me. You miss a say. Okra biane a odi ni nyame asem edia ene na baabi a wo hwe mi bisa wo se wanya okra biane yes wo de man so what for Christ no am wanya ne nchen aduane ba ahano ne asem me pese me na wo che simple message na sa simple message no edia edaso se who are you? Who are you? When am I? So what me tell me? So simple way the asia. Me who say yes, I'm pa. Now the word who are you? I say the same. What did Bow Akan Kasamu? Who are you? No, let's say. We nipa ben. And how do you see yourself? Na say ni nipa so ehu. Ahaya sampa. Na mindimiye se obema wo simple answer. Say we wa. I eye no correct. But sadia what ye no nyasa na what ye. You share the inquiry who the person you are. I mean, sure. And yet, say me besides who are you, dear? And yet, now, dear, me person make Emma what he has said. Who are you? Why now? Why now? Mobakaya Ebrea Nyankupon Efa King David. Na obeye hine wo Israel na wo hwedan. You are not far from the truth. No ignorantful. Enti na hini na nyamema Samuel kosra ni nyina echi. Ni wasra ni bi na no ode ya friends odi hine no. Osa ko ni gan ahwem for see appointed time. No babedi hine. Tisanya msteti asamana ni. Many look but few see. Many look but few see. And nothing about busa also who are you and how do you see yourself? We are fine. Na say na musi who efa. And you want washing in an woman. Bro for kasa no ko ya ye pew na so aye your friends in Quantadem. What I say, money look and see, and you pay. But money look, nipa bibiri she, but kakre bina ehunu. Many look, but few see. Minim so di meti yanko. One say, Mamemfa, many look, but few see, no. God looked and saw. Nyame eshe na uhuni enyepe. Nyame she na uhuni. Enti sa wo begye dia me ka kire wo se Nyankopon bo wo se ono ne seso. Na uhuni wo awachiri se wo bese wo no nyame. Na mami se se ne nyame hunu wo awachiri no sana wo tie sesi ana. Disappointment yaba. Because nyase ne nyame hunu na ohwe yi na wo hunu yi awo mu no. Ena me netie na won so wotie ene na biribi ewo honom. God looked and saw. Se me wo yesu ene yemban ne sade yetie pasisi se no na nyame hwe so no de ye be no mi no ameka kire no korim ka nyame on ha no hoda. Because nyame hunu akola bi ewo akiri ewo baatan bi yem se biribi maame asoma si bewo na ne ba ewo a wo bewo no na akola no betumi aye numerous akola no betumi aye great no de na dijuma pa ena nyame ya akola no dominate akola no manifa the nature na busu ene adane amroba ena wo tete ni maame. Mom said the identity. Akola bia dan stubborn and what it in our for. Na Bible say obakwasia e manager no dia werehwo. It we are sure say to say pa nyame hu say wo be yam roba and wo de wo bai. No. Nyame hu say wo be ya prostitute and wo de wo bai there be. People be diverted after one call. And we should be extra careful. Prophet Yasama no can hear. Man look but few see. God looked Adam. God looked Adam and he saw the whole world. And so now Adam the first man to be created. The Nyankopon di kan born no a friend of Adam no now a single person and God saw him. What I say na Onyankopon ehu no say wiase and so now you a single person. Me person me tell us say and nipa bi wo mu we great but we are single. We a great future but we are single man in this present moment. And yeah, a better day, and I saw a hint of some misery to me upper. So, misery, a hint of some to say to me upper there. And yet, not ye can't that was said. And then you attention. Nyankopon waste time, and yet useless things. Nyankopon once I better, and yet I dear be a swimming for so. Because ye Nyankopon was a God of time. What the mere and the yenadia. Nanyame waste time and yad adia a swimming fast walk. It's the Bible look kind and Genesis chapter 31 last verse in the share the Nyankopon yenano a papa. It did not me near papa the end who bow where papa pa. The young missus of what are you in now? A day now whom say. Fawa bosi apono so sesia na ye nche Christian ti sabra boya me wo ye boy eno na ma Nyankopon say time ye wo se wo bra na be ya na ye face fact. Many look but few see. Nipa bebre na hwe na kakra bi ne hu me amre se wo hwe wo YouTube ana se Facebook a me ka kire se se de wo hu me no de wo me mu no wonnim se de me hu no de wo wu mu no mennim se de hu ye hu no ne sa de hu no se de Nyankopon tri mo bom Onyankopon kuta original plan. The purpose of God is great. Na ebresimu odan ne ho edi. God looked Adam and he saw the world. When God looked you, he sees things that everybody ignores. Se Onyankopon hwewa, enima Nyankopon hwe wo no. Nipa bia was asase so hwewa wo hunu sa ne ma no. Na Nyankopon so kasa ansem no fa wo ho akinye enko a adendra hwe kai enipa wote se nipa fon sei sebe hwe ne ma me fie hwe na busuam hwe sibia wote na wa fie okura no wo kwakwa yehuri hajam apopo bibire nkwa we betumi aba be nipa titiri brother me can't say God looked Adam and he saw the whole world. How possible? And how can you believe? Say a nipa ba betumi aba be wiase. Nanso Adam was the father of many nations or the whole world. Enti di nyame titum ni nipa nyintum. Say ante wutie mi say Nyankopon wo ho eniema pa. Only God knows. But nipa bi otia nchen no entumi hunu. Yenko yanim wo ya desue mu. May say when God looks at you, he sees. Say Nyankopon ehwa ohu niema bebre ya nipa obehwe sa niema no a anas obehwe wo sa wo ho no oje sa de ne ho chim adentra efese okuta any this present moment I, but the future I no nipa ni nyame nko anehwe chane so emam tie ni emam. God looked at Adam and he saw the whole world. He looked at Abraham and saw nations. Abraham nyantemanime na yape na mama me no ntem apam agina. Abraham fi wasase so na mekọ asase a mekere wo so. I will make you a great nation. I will bless you and make your name great, and in you all the families on this earth shall be blessed. Abraham, the father of many nations. First near friend of Abraham. Later on, no, he named Abraham, father of many nations. And God said, I will bless you and make your name great. I will bless you and make your name great, and all the families on the earth shall be blessed. Abraham. Into Abraham no was single. Na ne papa fi Haran, ye friend Terah. Na sa fertile land na ne papa te so no. Sutienti. Awurade yi ni firi ho. Edne besne ko barren land, cursed land. Na ebra okọ ne nansi ho no. From generation to generation, sa barren land not turning a fertile. Since Abesu was Shirawa, wherever you may go, you'll be blessed. Shannon Suman. And the said na Abraham tear. I will Canaan as I assassinated do baby now or beg it. I will Mizrim. A one then a year call yena. Okoka seninia, I don't know. I will Abimelech in China. Nanka okofano no na nyame yi no wadi kire to hweye na saabra ai owura no na yere ne ababawa mo za de tese nyame hira ba wo so a ka just a point ama biribi asi wabrabo ma awrade ye turn around niam afiase se edan. Abraham, I will bless you and make your name great, and in you all the families on the earth shall be blessed. Abraham, God saw Abraham and he saw many nations. as no a single person. Me person me chile was say, brother wo hwe sister wo hwe mame, and found any academic achievement. So we a single person and nyema turn around against you. Future is unknown. And we are there plan a better future for you. Relax. Kawakuma to him. Then we are there beba wafu. God looked at Adam and he saw the world. He looked at Abraham and he saw nations. In Jacob, a deceiver, he saw a Messiah. In Moses, the murderer, God saw a deliverer. Jacob, yenyina te se Jacob na wo ye twetwani ewo ninia iso eyem ewo ne maame yem wunim dada nya ho na me kan ko. But akola na ne friend Jacob, Bible say because of the habit he named him Jacob, because we nentini kurani utwitwa ngofo nentini edana wo share Jesus and edana wo share Nyankopon ewo Peniel ewo bra wo ko Mesopotamia no won se bepona se ho ba bia ho ye mountainous area no wo de ne tretwene boba no bofo yi no mu di kire se atwede tintin fi soro e be si fom a bofo di so firi sane enti oto ne din Jacob no as a sign ebeye Israel. Why na bofo no ene Jacob eko no so we Israel me amema wonko was jame ma me nko na de ya chime me nya nipa na me nipa fem was just we Israel me answer one struggle before but oji Israel no answer yes struggle and ya penya me mu nipa fair brother wo hwe me na me ka kire wo say en nipa biara awurade asiesie be fight for. And the Pabiara already says they fight for one fighter one sanka. It bred Jacob. Now obey Jacob, Israel. What turning from Jacob to Israel or fighting before. And then dino a buyer. It is a ubet me and yadi. Ewo krum ubetumi anyadin ewo baabi a wote nyame mu no ubetumi anyadin pa ade akọwani ma boa ma woso aba mfaso amma wiase nyina woso aba mfaso ma oman na woso aba mfaso ma abusia na woso aba mfaso ma nyame asore a esase wo fight for wo mfiti prako pese nyame akanti daabi eno ba mfiti nepem mfifiri emfitine pem enso wabra your friends ye nuano when you see the there but also this with the nation form when you see the there with the nation form there but this is you talk when you see the there with the nation form when there is you after there this you do when you see the there with the nation form when there is you go so afifiri social part there but what do this we hear area ba answer and the procedure be honoma seed be fam and sun wa bear fruit the same thing human being and the yenya awurade afreye no wa freye social part but obia wo kwan obefa so betumi survive channel so mame enti no njira se wa ba wiase wo fiti prekope na wo so wo fiti prekope na wo survive no Adam fiti prekopa na ya Adamu Abraham fiti prekopa na ya Abraham wa wo ko twere ni ma wo kwan ya Abraham fa so wo sweaty ya ansana wo hwe kwan ya Jacob fa so wo sweaty ya ansana wo hwe kwan ya Moses kura de nkola brim de na to insuo so wonim de American de na to insuo so wo na ye hunu se de otie no weye obia nsuo so no ko ni training enye Moses tam ana yekum nkwala ewo Misraim for eho nyina ebra Hebrew for no fias yese wo nyine no nkwala no wo no wosi yekum nkwala ni nyina enso na Misraim for no nkwala ewo ho no enye hwe se wo mko as slave wo yimu nkonta enti asase we sesu no nipa biara wasase we sesu this present time you know bonsam am nipa wasase so nyina is slaves and nothing na Jesus to buy say will be ye captives no from captivity It is a woman makwan ma awurade ne nsa wototo no refugee camp yedumako gu awurade nam ne mogya so de ne ka ebesesa mo agina ho ma na asem no se wa makwan na wa ye involve na friends say sa van no etu ejawa waka wa ye friends won ku ayem enti of Abraham Moses and no training Moses and Midian and na wasan na chibaye no be kachire Pharaoh said let my people go. That is Exodus. Let my people go. What you say mama go for na won kosom me. No say who is your God? I don't know your God. No say God of Abraham, God of Isaac, God of Jacob. And no say I don't know them. And I don't know that God you are talking about. What say I am that I am is his name. Onone nidi tini mami. Share yen share artisans. Wa ye craft. Wa mu portray enipa no mo de si baby no. Yen share. So wa ba fie na se boba bi da ho. Boba no so pa. Na woman ye card wo so. Mpaboa na se na akote atecha ye de yeso a udru wona first thing to do and say odo mpaboa because netie wo mpaboa na se so na okudu na wo de ona na kuso no ahwe ona na se na netie na ka de useless thing no eboa nkofo wo baby brother so wo shame sister me can't also situation ya wo bo mu independent to twene but obi edi kan future say wo ye wo better future but say ye twe nan e wo so channel so man ye twe nan wo so but de onimu no eba na wo makwan no so mu no de kwa obe ye useful lesson enti obi a moba te say pimpim ni fie na wo kwan ya wo mfaso de oye artisan do hwe bobanos boba metumi de ade ma me ba to boba yi no de ba ya de o da bi ha play be sit na ya yes wasan nti ma me be fa de kwa ope so betumi kra be tutu nyina ohu boba no just like that no wo hwehwe o share no wo hwehwe but artisan no buy wo share what you say he looked and he saw something better in it. Into the air in say one day abubu ya be sesa abuba kakanaka no fa paafo na de kogu be dan nim ade na branch yi wo fa tools and wo di gina if you be na wo twi no boso mi no ko na abuba wa design wo dia ye obi what design the kama wa shell coat wa bonnet tie wa ye bibia kama na wa twra se good father no wa twra se good mother na wa twra se awoye na wa tam akolabi awo sunu sei maame no de na ye no de na kwa kusi maame ne dan anim ne ya twra se awoye one say de tie abrante nsa mo aduma efe papa na wei eye dan pese o de boba na ye ma boba na me be fan wo dan anim hobi na me ma bobo ya na mo se me na enie krache eti sa boba na so won faso sa eti wo ye bi ma me obedi no se ba 250 million mi am boba no ma me nya wo dia wo ne tantan na wo se faso ni so but the ohun na chiri no eso aba no faso de me pesa me chira wo ne se ma aya warranty wo na be fa boba metumi ate so 20 million into for 230 bra anya hwe ma na ju 200 Every day say na me so won faso a kanu no be ye no fi ama me apa had I know it's always at last many look but few see me person me chira wo say and the pa ewu they are hidden but it must be revealed and them apa no a ewu mu no ebeyi ne ho adi daache so be ma kwan a na hwan ene master overall obetumi adi wa brabo so ama ne pe wo mu betumi apie his name is Jesus unless you believe salvation is a gift and kwaje no e ya chede ne ne pe nyina na enya so obetie me na be fa dem ne wo kan ya ne pe wo mu ni nyina be pie and found the situation a wo bibia no wa ka kire if there is life There is hope. God bless you. Apostle Anafi Kwatini, founder and chairman of Gilgal Pentecostal Prayer Ministry International. So, person name kwa sorry. Wait to me after the number is 05966867668. 0596686 05966867768. The census will be 05966768668. It is a over threat on Sabi to me akame na meneo akasa chene nso mam se wonti biribi ase se biribi kire wo so a wo de frɛ number no 0245 19444 0245 19444. So open me as my personal number no 059 66 76 868. Was a bit to me akame na one me akasa nyame han na ho di tu enka wo de me kase obetumi aboa ene se wo be subscribe na wo mi abel no so na won sabe tumi aka na one me akasa bre ene bre bia na wo YouTube and as Facebook nyame mo sa ho di tu yo chefo wona tu amen.